But when the MiGs showed up over the skies of
What's up guys, welcome back to the brand new video. Hope you're doing alright, and today, as you can tell by the title, we're gonna be watching some sweet instant karma doing its job. And before we start, there's a lot of new people on the channel, so I just wanted to take a moment and say welcome aboard everyone and thank you for joining in. So yeah, with that being said, now we can dive into today's video, shall we? Alrighty, let's get this party started. Oh, you cheeky little sausage on the left. He was like, I'm gonna go nice and easy and act like I belong there. Oh, okay, officer, you got me. I'm gonna turn around real quick. Well, at least he tried, but the little sneaky shortcut didn't work out this time. On to the next one now. Turn right, bruh. Well, it's too late now. Looks like he couldn't decide if he was in the UK or US. There's a little bit of confusion there. But the popo is on scene, so they will explain everything with a little fine. Careless driving or driving in the wrong direction. They will come up with something, I'm sure. Let's see here. So far so good, I guess. Oh, looks like we have another dingleberry on our hands. Whoa, be careful, man. What the heck was that? If I was that guy, I would stop immediately on the spot where I am, because the charges are just piling up against him, so he better stop. It's the best option for him, and for everybody else, of course. I wonder what's his excuse. Maybe it's my dog stepped on a bee, if you know what I mean. Whoa, dude, that was dangerous, man. I don't know why people are pulling stupid stunts like this. It gets you nowhere. It's very dangerous, and on top of that, you get stuck on the same traffic light with everybody you just overtook. So there's no point in that, really. Oh, it's green, dude. Go, gotta move on. Oh, now it's too late. And now he thinks it's the perfect moment to go. What the hell are you doing, bro?
Just stop. What do you do? Yep. Oh my. Wow.
Come on, man. This is ridiculous.
Wow.
Imagine this person defusing a bomb. That would be
Yo!
very interesting to watch from a very long distance, you know. But anyways, moving on. Whoa. Chill out, Karen Mobile. You just violated a police officer, so you're gonna get more than you bargained for, that's for sure. And now the moment you've been waiting for. Power! And he's gone. The 5-0 don't have an answer to that. Oh, here's the cavalry. Yeehaw, boys! Onwards, my noble steed. Yeah, they probably got him and sentenced him to a year of living with one very famous person called Amber. If you know what I mean. Oh wow, 900 IQ play right there. Blast past 2 cop cars. That's a genius idea. Let's see if both of them are gonna pull him over. Will he get a double ticket for that? 2 cops, 2 tickets. Sorry, it is what it is. Oh yeah, both of them are pulling him over, definitely. Well, play stupid games, win stupid prizes. Let's see what's gonna happen here. Ignoring the stop sign in front of a cop, that's another genius at its finest, right there. But maybe he will get away with a warning, because he didn't cause too much trouble with his actions. But anyways, let's see what his golf is up to. Would you kindly pull over, sir? Yeah, he entered the intersection on a red light, so sad će on pitaj svakog taksistu, Golf je najbolji auto, 1.9 TDI, crveno DI. Ko je gledao prvi servis razume sve. But anyways, moving on. Apparently we have a wild BMW just BMWing. And the best thing is, the karma is gonna strike any moment now. Wait for it. And there we go, whoop whoop. Nice. Oh, that Volvo on the left looks fine. Whoa, stop bullying your way in. You already know how much I hate this behavior. Come on, caddy, ram him. Look at this fool. He doesn't even know where he's going. And now he's trash talking like, yo, mama's so fat she beeps when she walks backwards. Oh my god, look at this fool. He's still trying to bully his way in. Unbelievable, man. Oh, hello there. The officer is like, you wanted to say something? Huh? Thought so. Oh, look at that genius beating the system by driving on a hard shoulder and thinking he's better than anybody else. But the police decided to deploy speed and power. This is how you play yourself. And now he's gonna waste even more time and even more money, and for what? For nothing, basically. But it's his funeral, so he can do whatever he wants. No, that G-Wagon is like, I'm speed, baby. Looks like a brick on four wheels, but it's a good car, I'll give him that. Especially if it's all blacked out, you know? That way it looks even better. But anyways, I digress. Let's see what's going on. Looks like the 5-0 is already on the case. Oh, yep, they got him, and imagine this plot twist. I'm gonna give you a ticket because you weren't going fast enough. Just look at this beautiful open road. Going that slowly on it is a criminal offense. Oh, that guy just did a no-no. On an icy road like that, everything you do could be potentially dangerous, so that's not the smartest thing to do. But the snow police is on the case. You got busted, son. Ha! Let's see here. Oh, that's a thick boy. That truck that took a right. Whoa, easy, Supra. He got carried away a little bit. But it's not too crazy, I guess. Maybe he'll get away with a warning. And it looks like the police are taking their time. They're not in a hurry. That guy was, but it's not anymore when he got hit with a whoop whoop. But yeah, nah, like I said, I don't think he will get a ticket because he didn't really go full sended, so there's that. Overtaking over the double yellows. Well, that's not the greatest idea, but it's like a gray area, you know. It's a straight road, an open road, you can see what's ahead. And that truck was kinda slow, so I somewhat understand why he did that, but it's still illegal, so yeah, you get the idea what I wanted to say. And on that note, guys, it's time to wrap up this video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed these very satisfying instant karma moments. And also please subscribe, whack that like button and leave a comment as well. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. I love you all. Don't forget to power every day. Just don't get caught, alright? And I will see you in the next one. Take care. Ciao, ciao.